Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar, along with Tim Stedwick. Let's get to some stocks. The move with us is Bloomberg TV markets correspondent Norma Melinda. She is in the house. Where are you beginning?
Well, I feel like we've been seeing this whole CES conference kicked off, and we're watching it through the week. So we have to talk about some of the names that were affected by the commentary that we've seen there. Let's kick things off with Sandisk. This is ticker SNDK.
I'm obsessed with this name already.
Are you?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, this stock has really rallied today, up as much as 25%. That's the biggest jump that we've seen in terms of a single day basis in nearly a year. This, of course, is commentary from Nvidia's Jensen Huang. He said that the memory storage chip market is quote unquote underserved, and that just sent that stock rallying. We're seeing shares up about 24% right now as we speak. The best performing stock in the S&P 500, just simply off of what Jensen Huang has to say.
It was the best performing stock in 2025. All of these players in the S&P 500. Yeah, it was the top performer, and that whole group is just
Western
rallying
Digital
today.
Was up there.
Also a top performer in 2025.
Very true.
I'm a little obsessed. It's not the names we talk about a lot, but it's just kind of fascinating to see how this trade plays out.
Absolutely. Well, on the flip side, though, if we're still keeping an eye on what Jensen Huang has to say, we did see some data center cooling stocks that fell today. This is after the CEO of Nvidia raised fears about data center demand for these types of products. And so we are seeing as a second worst performing stock in the S&P 500, Johnson Controls International, ticker JCI, and some of its peers also falling, Carrier Global, Modine Manufacturing. But we are seeing Johnson Controls International in particular as the second worst performing stock in the S&P 500. Pairing its earlier decline, it was earlier down about 11% for its worst day in almost 3 years.
Trane Technologies also taking a hit, down about 2.8%. That's another one of those companies that is in the cooling space.
Absolutely. There's a lot of action that we're seeing right now. So people carry a lot of weight. His words, Jensen Huang's words, really carry a lot of weight clearly in this market.
Always do. It's not just about the jacket. Are those some of your decliners?
Yeah, those are a good group of decliners.
You might need to steal some.
I know. We share.
We share, exactly.
All right, take us to Lockheed Martin.
Lockheed Martin, of course, we are seeing this stock in the green. Earlier up as much as about 5.3%, now pairing a bit. But this after it struck a deal with the Pentagon to triple production of its Patriot air defense missile, which we know is deployed not only by the United States, but about 17 other countries. So really critical here. This agreement is really clearing the way for negotiations over a 7-year contract to increase production of this. And this is really just a broader U.S. push to ramp up weapons output. So you are seeing the street clearly liking this stock coming in behind Lockheed Martin today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.